Alright guys, so actually I'm doing a short little video real quick. I got the microphone actually hooked up to here. I'm not having a mic overhead. So yeah, we're going to do a short little video. This is a big announcement. This video might take some time to do because I have to order some stuff. So yeah, Josh Tech Gamer is building his IKEA desk setup. So this is the big announcement. I will be doing the video. So I did part of the video, but I have to order more stuff. Like the countertop, so I possibly might go through Home Depot because it's a little bit cheaper and I'll get it a little bit faster, but I won't get it for another 3 weeks. So yeah, so definitely that's coming up. It's been 4.5 years. I've been taking long to do this, so I wanted to do a little short announcement. So yeah, Josh Tech Gamer did get the Alex drawers, so I will put the the time lapse with the when I do the ultimate desk setup. So yeah, guys, look forward to that. I do have more videos coming of unboxing stuff. So I do have some keycaps coming within a few days, so that will be coming. So definitely be looking out for the IKEA ultimate desk setup I'm officially gonna be doing. I have to order more stuff for the desk, like the RGB lights and the channel raceways. So I'm doing this slowly. So yeah, this is the big announcement. I wanted to tell you guys what's going to happen, and I've been wanted to do this for so long, and I don't have a car that will fit my counter desk, so I might wear the IKEA tabletop, so I might have to have it delivered to my house. So yeah, so I did pick up the Alex drawers. I did pay 79 bucks a piece, but they're a lot cheaper if you go to the store and pick them up. Now you can order this stuff on Amazon or online, but it's going to cost a lot more because for delivery, and if you want it faster, it does cost more. Home Depot or IKEA, so I might just go with the Home Depot. So the Alex drawers did take me a long time to put together. Insane. So I'm officially going to put them over here behind me where the computer is just for now. So yeah, so guys, thanks, I appreciate the support. Yeah, so yeah, it was pretty crazy day. Waited 45 minutes in line since IKEA finally opened up, and there was so many people there. So yeah, so I gotta order stuff for the desk because I don't want to get the countertop right away and then have to do all the RGB strips and the wiring and stuff. I want to buy everything at once and then do it all at once. So anyways, the video will be coming soon. So alright guys, thanks guys for watching. Josh Tech Gamer, appreciate the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you guys are excited as much as I am for this IKEA desk setup, let me know in the comments. Alright guys, I'll check you guys later.